Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now it has been revealed that the government is selling its remaining shares in a particular highway. One of Jamaica's biggest infrastructure. The new highway them did build and the shares them get, they must sell them. Now they must give Jamaicans the opportunity to buy these shares. What they must call invest in Jamaica. But you know what, go on? The people must say, look what happened with Bolt when he invested in SSL recently. Now the people must wonder if they should invest. May I make you know you are going. Look and listen.
By now, everybody probably would have seen this around, right? On the road. The government is now selling its remaining 20% stake in Trans-Jamaican Highway, which basically means you, me, everybody can own a piece of Jamaica's largest infrastructure, the highway. Now, I'm not an investment advisor. I'm not a broker, so I can't tell you what to invest in. But what I'm going to do is tell you why I would invest in Trans-Jamaican Highway. In 2020, this stock was listed at $1. So if you did put on a lump sum of money in 2020, like $10,000 or $100 or $1,000, guess what? You'd have seen 300% gain on your money by now. Because the price moved from $1 to $4 something in 2024, and then it went back down to $3.70 something now. So that means if you invested $100, your $100 would be worth $300 now. $1,000, $3,000. $10,000, $30,000. $100,000, $300,000. You get the gist, you get where this is going? $1 million, $3 million. So my first reason why I would invest in this stock is the capital gains. Capital gains is the appreciation of the stock price, therefore increasing the value of your shares and increasing the amount of money that you have. That's capital gains. That explanation is only for people who invested in 2020 once. This is why I don't like and I don't encourage people to put down a lump sum of money one time in any stock. You should invest consistently every single month, and I'm going to show you what your results would look like if you had invested $10,000 every single month in Trans-Jamaican Highway. So let's go into it now. Trans-Jamaican Highway up top here, you're going to invest $10,000 every single month. And from 2020 to 2025, shimmy, 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 this is how much you would have saved up on your own without any investing. The money in green down here, this is how much money you would have today. And this here is how much you'd get paid in dividends. My next reason why I'd invest in Trans-Jamaican Highway, dividends. Since 2020, it paid consistent dividends, and in the past 2 years, it paid out $15 million to shareholders each year. Dividends is a portion of the company's profits paid out to shareholders. Given the nature of the business, you have to pay to drive on the road. They have highway that don't open up yet, which means they're gonna get more revenues, which means this is a good, strong dividend paying stock. Unless something happen, like an earthquake, and then the road mash up, and then I forgot pull back dividends so them can fix the road. But we're not being negative, we're being positive. So if you're somebody looking for income stream like me in my retirement, this is a good stock because it has a high dividend yield. That means it pays out a lot of money versus how much money you spent to get the stock. My third reason is it's listed on both the US and Jamaican stock markets of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. That means that you can buy it in Jamaican dollars and sell it back in US dollars. So it gives you a hedge against the US dollar. So if the Jamaican dollar devalues, you can sell it back in US dollars and make a little profit. So those are my 3 reasons. Now the next question is, how do I invest in it? Like people talk about invest, but like how do I invest in it? I'm going to show you. The first step is to open up an investment account, and if you open up one at JMB, you can go in their Moneyline app and apply during the app. If you have an investment account anywhere else, you're going to have to go on NCB's Go IPO website, and there you will see the IPO for Trans-Jamaican Highway, and you'll be able to apply there. And then you see some details here. Scroll all the way down and you'll see this: strategic investors, general. We're clicking on general because we're general public. Which category do you fall in? If you're an NCB client, you put that there. All other investors, meaning you have a broker at JMB, Mayberry, wherever else, Barita, then you click on all other investors. This will come up, the terms and conditions. Scroll all the way down and then you click on accept. So again, it provides some details here. The limit is 1,000 units, but when you scroll down here, it's going to ask you how much money do you want to spend, and you're going to put the amount that you want to spend here, and it will tell you how much shares that you can get for that amount of money. So let me put in $10,000 here and show you guys how much shares you can get with $10,000. You only can get 2,000 shares with $10,000 because there are fees associated with the Go IPO. You can play around with the numbers until you figure out how much shares you can get and how much money that you are able to spend in this offer. And then you scroll down, you're gonna have to type in your name, your address, your JCSD number, the number that you get when you open an investment account, and you're gonna have to put in your brokerage account number, and then you're gonna have to click on your broker. So I'm going to click on broker here to show you guys. So these are all the places that you can go and open up an investment account that would allow you to be able to invest in this: Mayberry, Victoria Mutual, Scotia, JMB, yada yada yada. You click on continue, follow the instructions, and then you can own the road.
Now you see it? Now the government asks Jamaicans to invest. Right now, since both not get back in money, just the word investment. Right now, I feel like even the wealthy Jamaicans who have been making millions for years, even if them still invest, they might check them accounts more. Since you're going with the same boat, tell the truth. You don't feel like even the rich ones, them. You name the family, them. We don't even call them name. You name them, you know them. Them own body for business places, and then they have owned these business places for years. Even them know when they might invest, they might fear. Think twice. See not take place with Usain boat. And even their children have to think twice about investing now. Now this opportunity for own a part of Jamaican's infrastructure. It sound good on paper. Even when this lady big her up was explaining it definitely sound like a good choice. She has said if you invest them time there and put in $1 million, either they get 1.4. It not sound bad. Not sound bad at all. But will people be hesitant to invest? One thing for sure, the paid highways, the toll road them we have to pay for drive on, are the best set of roads them on the Jamaican island. And to get to certain places, people have no choice but to travel on these toll roads. Some places, you can choose some other road, but it's going to take you a longer time for each way you go. Plus the conditions of those roads. People that advise you for those drive on the highway. So, tell me you think. Even though we know it's an entity where make the money, do you think that because of what take place with Usain Bolt, people are going to be more hesitant to invest now? I wonder if investing, even if it's something like Jamaica's infrastructure, are the best thing to do. But it said that with the very same reason they make him never create an outrage on an international level. Because him could have got a BBC press conference over there, so could have got a CNN and link up with all of the people in all these first world countries and talk about what going on. But him say him decide say him go wait and see if him government will do what is right or what him think. Then would have see it's the best thing to do. But him say up to now him not get no information on what really take place. So talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think about this new investment opportunity for all Jamaicans. Buy the rest of the shares where the government have in them toll road. The toll road them make millions. I wonder where the government get them money from. They're willing to sell them shares in a toll road. They must have get the money from somewhere else. Because we are thinking this day and age, everything we're bringing money for the government would be needed. For do all with the people on the Jamaican island is asking of the government. We that thing say, yo, the very few things we are bringing money, them would want to keep them few things that we are bringing money. But I guess them get money from somewhere else, so them can afford to sell the shares that where them having at the toll road. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, so pass through subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper, and also for to stay tuned.